Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I am going to show you how to get 10,000 tokens in your Blooket account. This is a gift for you. Please follow this video step by step. Now I open a new tab and I search www.go token pro, and this page it's loading, it's updating, it's a website updating. And as you can see, Blooket online generators. Now you need to select how much blockchains do you want. I select 10,000 token and I press climb. Account information, you need your username. My Blooket username is Albert, and I enter my Blooket username. Good, I enter my username. Now you need to select your dispositive, your platform. Now I'm on my computer and I select computers. But you are a Android, your phone it's Android or iOS, you can select Android or iOS. Now I press continue and it's loading. Now you need to waiting. This is recent activities, as you can see. Albert is connected, generating. Good, it's success. Human verification. To prove robot abuse of generator, you are required to complete the human verification by clicking the button below. Good, time left 3 minutes. Verify now and verify with survey. Now you need to complete one of these survey to prove you are not a robot and receive the reward. You can select any survey. I select this survey. Now as you can see, follow the instructions. Send a SMS to this number. Now I put the video in pause because I can't record the end. Send a SMS at the same time, but I will be back. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Good, guys, now I send the SMS and now I want to check. As you can see, it's finished. Now it's done. Now you can close all tabs, and as you can see, now I'm on my Blooket page, and as you can see, congratulations, you won 10,000 tokens. I press climb and now I have 10,000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account for free. Please like this video, please subscribe, please share, and bye bye.